Namaskar, खुश रहो बिटियाओं. My name is Dr. Asma Khan, Department of Fashion and Interior, Faculty of Education and Methodology, Jyoti Vidyapit Women's University. Session name, Research, Definition and Meaning. Subject name, Fashion Research Methodology. B Design, 7th semester. What is fashion research methodology? Fashion research methodology is a planning and systematic approach to gain new idea, new facts, or solving the problem. Definition of research. According to Merriam-Webster Online Dictionary, a studies, inquiry, and the examination, especially investigation or experimentation, aimed at discovery and interpretation of facts, revision of accepted theories or law in the light of new fact or practical application of such new and revised theories or law. What is research? Basically, research is an examination, evaluation, investigation to discover and interpreting the ideas, facts, or solving the problem. According to Walls and Bansal 1981, research is a systematic, formal, precise process employed to gain solution to the problem or discover, interpret new facts and relationship. According to Kothari 2006, research is a pursuit of trust with the help of study, observation, comparison, experiment. The research for knowledge through objective and systematic method of finding solution to a problem. All the definition said the same thing. Research is a system and planning, and especially design to solve the problem, to gain the new idea, to interpret the new idea, new relationship. Maybe research is an evaluation, examination, experiment, survey, pilot study, and many more. According to Python 1979, research is the process of looking for a specific question in organized, objective, reliable way. Research is a process of looking for a specific question in an organized, objective, and reliable way. When a researcher want to research about the topic, in researcher's mind have some question. Example, when we are plan some pilot study and survey, researcher prepare the questionnaire and interview schedule to know about the problem. So, research is the process of looking for a specific question in an organized, objective, reliable way. Always with the objectives in the researcher's mind, some kind of questions, and researcher want to know about the questions in the systematic method with the systematic method. Carringler 1873, research is a systematic, controlled, empirical, critical investigation of hypothetical propositions about the presumed relations among natural phenomena. Basically, research is a systematic. Research is a, according to Carringler 1873, research is a systematic, controlled process. Empirical means you need to know about the facts, both facts, or the quantity of reason or the reasons, quality of reasons or reason. Critical investigation. रिसर्च इज़ क्रिटिकल एंड एम्पिरिकल का मतलब होता है किसी चीज़ को तुलना करके तोल कर देखना कि क्या ज़्यादा है क्या कम है. क्रिटिकल इन्वेस्टिगेशन Critically, we will analyze what is problem, how much it is identified, and how much is still not able to identify, and based on hypothesis we are prepared the result. So research is a critical investigation also. It is presumed relation among the natural phenomena. Research is presumed relationship among the natural phenomena. According to different definitions, research is concluded as an experiment, as an evaluation, as an investigation. Research is a systematic and formal process. Research is help to study the observation, comparison. Research is process of looking for a specific question, and research is systematic and controlled empirical critical investigation. All authors well said about the research. Research is a systematic planning. Research is an investigation, evaluation, in experiment. Researchers might have some questions, so he and she need to know about problem. He and she need to know about facts, and they want to interpret it. Meaning of research in fashion. After understanding of meaning of research, now we will discuss meaning of research in fashion. Fashion design, product and brand are often started by gifted designer having a dream to start their own label, but not necessarily a clear understanding of where their design, product and brand will fit within their specific market segment. So the research in the fashion is important segment and step for future planning of target consumer. The basic difference between academic research, marketing research or the fashion research is designer want to know about the target market. So they are planning the consumer research, previous data research, that is called empirical research. So whenever designer want to know about the target market, they are planning some kind of research. Consumer research, market research, product selling research, previous data research is called research in fashion. Thank you so much. This session is powered by 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. I hope you understand this session. Thank you so much.